Good day everyone, I am Respan JC Macadini, and today I will discuss about the nativist theory. What is nativist theory? Nativist theorists argue that children are born with an innate ability to organize laws of language, which enables children to easily learn a native language. They believe that children have language-specific abilities that assist them as they work towards mastering a language. So, nativist theory states that children are born with an innate ability to organize laws of language. So, ang bata is gipanganak siya and nature na siyang abilidad to understand a language. For example, if na kay baby sister or baby brother, even though di pa siya maka-istorya, and then makadong siya sa inyong conversation sa inyong mother, niya matawag ako mama, and kanang conversation is masabtan sa bata, that girl is ija di mama. Next, we have the person who created the nativist theory. We have Noam Chomsky. Noam Chomsky is the main theorist associated with the nativist perspective. He developed the idea of the language acquisition device, or LAD. He said that every child is born with biological predisposition to learn language or any language. He came up with the idea of the language organ, which is known as the language acquisition device. So, unsa man yung language acquisition device? Language acquisition device, or the LAD, is the hypothetical tool in the brain that helps the children learn quickly and understand the language. So, kaning LED is mo siya mo generate sa information nga madungog sa bata, and then para mas masabtan niya o mas dali niya masabtan ang information. So, how can we apply the nativist theory in the classroom? We have here strategies to implement the nativist theory in the classroom. First, we can use pictures, objects, and drawings to associate with vocabulary words to enhance meaning and comprehension. Example, sa kanang classroom sa mga special elementary, grade 1 or daycare, naman gadyo na yung mga pictures like numbers, pictures of fruits, with tanang mo na mga pictures, may determine sa bata, tanang siya is prutas, and tanang siya is number. And other example po is kanang mga rules nga mabasa-basa sa mga bata o kanang mga quotes na nasa mga dingding. Next, we can also ask questions that require more than yes or no answer. So, by asking question, ma-trigger ang bata, ma-challenge ang iyang mind nga musabot sa iyong pangutana. Like for example, mangutana ka question nga mag-answer yes or no, and then imo pa siyang kutik-kutik yung madyo, na nice, ma-challenge ang bata, mas mugana ang iyong untok. Example, mangutana ka sa bata is kanang asa mo, nagkaon na ka, umingon bata, yes or oo. So, o pingon ko na bata is no. So, paano mo kumangka ng kaon? So, nga na, ang bata is ma-challenge siya. So, to give reason, nga nung wak siya nagkaon nga, tingkaon naman. Children are born with a specific innate ability to discover for themselves the underlying rules of a language system on the basis of the sample of the nature language they are exposed to. Language acquisition is something that happens to a child placed in a certain environment, not a child does. Once again, this is Respan JC Macadini, your reporter for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you and have a good day.